This is Sam, the cooking guy. All right, welcome back. We're in the home stretch. This, ladies and gentlemen, is tahini. Tahini is essentially sesame paste. Think of it like sesame peanut butter. In Israel, tahini goes on everything, and it should because it's so delicious. But to get it where you want it, you have a couple steps. It's easy. You have to mix it because it can settle a bit, and then you end up with just the thin stuff at the top. We're gonna take about a half a, look, looks just like creamy peanut butter, right? We'll go half a cup. It's gonna go in here with, you know, forget Mediterranean Day, it should be garlic day. Everything we're using has garlic in it. Garlic goes in. Lemon juice goes in. Tahini goes in. Great, huh? A little cumin. Salt, of course. You use approximately the same amount of water as you do tahini. And we're off. Let's take a look. We want this mix. It's starting to smell right. All right, so now a little parsley. And yes, it's going to a processor, but why make the processor work harder than it has to? We'll throw some of this in. We'll continue along. We still have more water. And we check. Now, look at that. Do you see that? That's what you want. One more. Smooth, creamy. Now we take it out. There we go. Step one, we make the tahini. Step two, we make little lamb meatballs. I clean up, we make them. This is ground lamb. Could you do this with ground beef? Yes. Ground turkey? Yes, but why? It's so dry. Ground chicken? Yes. But the point is, lamb is a whole nother flavor. It's about changing flavors and adding. That's what we're doing today. We're giving you flavors that maybe you're not using in your everyday life. That's what this is about. Okay, here's what this gets. Simple. Salt, regular black pepper, a little bit of olive oil. I like a little bit of the richness, and back with our friend cumin for a quick visit, and some red pepper flakes. Okay, that's it. Now we mix, right? Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna make little guys like this. Okay, so here's what I like to do. I like to take these guys and throw them in the fridge just to let them set. Just to let them set up a little bit. Give it half an hour, that's fine. I've got tongs. Here are the little lamb balls. They need a little oil, so you don't want them to stick. And here's what we're using. Ready? A grill pan. How genius is that, right? It lets you cook small things without the hassle of them either A, falling through or being difficult to wrestle. So. Okay, is this pan not the best invention ever? Oh, to go with it, we made a little salad. Well, I made a little salad by cutting up some tomatoes and some parsley and a little olive oil, salt and pepper, and that's it. It's supposed to be really simple, and it is really simple. I couldn't be happier. Okay, check this out. Right in the middle, what's that say, 132? A little more than 10 degrees away. Throw on the pitas. I didn't drop that one. I caught it halfway. All right, so we're done. We're done. Kill this. Kill this. These? Okay, yeah, they're almost there too. Let's put them in here. Hold on. They all gonna fit, Michael?
I think so.
Oh, of course. That's beautiful. Okay, so here's how this whole thing goes down. Ah, jeez. So look, the last time I did this, which was a couple nights ago at a friend's house, we made appetizer versions of these. So you cut the pita, and then you, it's hot. And then you open it up. Okay. Then we take some of the tahini, and we put it in here. And then some of this little parsley, tomato thing here. And then I like to take one of these little guys and bust them, or two, and bust them because it's good. And then a little bit more. And you're like, what the hell is happening in my mouth, Sam? There's lamb, there's tahini, there's the parsley, there's garlic, there's cumin, there's... Why have I not eaten like this all the time? Because you're doing the same thing all the time and you have to stop that. Try something new. Once a week, that's all I say. Once a week, you try something new. And at the end of the year, you've got 52 new things that you know how to make and hopefully love. All right. That's it. Look, it's gorgeous. That's it for me. It's been a great day. Great day. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, whatever else there is. And don't forget, at the end of the day, it's Italian. Go to cookingguy.com for the recipes.